what is the purpose of NASA just going to space, but developing technologies that one can take from NASA and then create something useful. In this case, it's extremely important under today's world.
We're bringing resources to the table, so both parties are contributing and have a vested interest in the outcome. And because of that, then again, I think you have much more focus and availability of ideas, resources, capabilities to come together to create these innovative products.
This kind of relationship has to be maintained and even encouraged even more. We are all working on the next generation air transport system. For us to succeed in this partnership is very essential.
The potential good that the agency can derive from that early exposure to those requirements will save us as an agency a lot of money down the road. And at the same time, the Army benefits because we do have significant technology that we can bring to bear on their problems too.
That's what the Innovative Partnership Program is doing for us, is helping us gather additional data and information that we need, that programs need to have in order to make decisions, and being able to take the technology into their program and actually apply it.
Oftentimes in the transfer of this kind of technology out, in the private sector, they're able to further improve it, enhance it, make it cheaper, more effective, and sometimes we purchase the technology back at a lower cost than what it took to originally develop it.
With every federal dollar being scarcer and scarcer, it's really important to look for ways to leverage those investments to really provide continuing benefits.
They came to us to work together on developing a lower cost version of the teak foam because there was an already made market for low density polyimide, and that's the Navy. And so we worked with them to come up with a new version that was much cheaper. You're talking a tenth of the price at least.
It brings a lot of value to the industry in the world of greenness in both reducing those inputs and not having waste, and then from an environmental standpoint to make sure that we keep that nitrogen where it should be, and that's in the root zone and not leaching into the groundwater.
Now that for the first time that we believe is going to be legislation here where carbon emissions are going to be very important, this has a very high, carbon emission impact, because we literally save several tons per application of carbon.
The biggest winner is really the American taxpayer. They have to spend less for the initial investment in that technology, and hopefully they also get a better product at the end of it that they can use.
It was a good experience, for us to take a product that was maybe 2/3 or 3/4 developed, and we really just took it on the home stretch and finished the development, made it aesthetically appealing in the nice packaging, and then of course commercially introduced it.
I still have tremendous wonderment about what's going on in space, but I smile more often now when I look up there because I know what we're doing in space is helping us here on Earth.